Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. Today we're going to be unboxing a cool 2021 Hot Wheels, and today we have the 69 Chevelle from the X-Racer edition. That's right, this is the 69 Chevelle. It only says 69 Chevelle, but it's really the X-Racers casting. And it's like a tuned variation with a clear plastic body. And this first debuted in 2005 or 2004. This is from the X-Racer series for 2021, number 1 of 5. You can see that nice card art. 77 of 250 on the year, and this is the red Recolor. And I have the first color of 2021 in blue. I opened that previously on the channel. I need to get another one of those because it's kind of worn out. And this is the 2015 version. I also opened that on the channel. I really like that version. But this is the newest variation of it. GTC 46 is the number, and it's on an international card. I got this at my Shaw's. Now time to get this one open. And that was just like a big pop open there. I like how quick that open was. But yeah, we got it open. Red Chevelle X-Racers. Good spinning PR5 rims on this one, and let's take a closer look at those details. We have yellow striped. They're supposed to be clear wheels, I think. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, they are slightly clear. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it has a yellow rim on it. These are PR5 Phil Redman 5-spoke wheels. And we got like this nice black design. You can see it's like a zigzag design. Ooh, there's a Hot Wheels logo sitting right there. And look at that. X-Racers right on the hood there. That's pretty cool. We got hood scoop. You can see the top of it. Side exhaust. This is a cool casting. Here's the back of it. Top is all plastic. All the red you see is the plastic part. Diecast metal base. Diecast metal base. That's so redundant. Made in Malaysia. P05. P05 is the base code. I forgot what the base code really means, but 69 Chevelle. Casting. Cool casting. Newest recolor. And can you see the interior? There you are. Gray interior. Kind of hard to see it there. But thanks for watching me unbox this 2021 Hot Wheels. Pretty awesome casting. Got 3 different variations here. 2 from 2021 and 1 from 2015. Oops, and I dropped it. I'm going to replace this one anyways. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.